Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to give you an in-depth review of the EV Rider City Rider. It's a mobility scooter that is capable of going on various terrain types. It has a top speed of 6 miles per hour. It can travel up to 17 miles on a full charge. With its full suspension and 10-inch drive tires, it can do that on various different terrain types. Now, I'm not going to cover all the specifications. If you want to see full specs, stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll put the spec sheet back on the screen. I'm also going to put instructions on how you can claim a discount code to save big on your next purchase if you're interested in buying one. Now, before we get any further, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. It has our latest products, discount codes, and more. If you want a copy, all you have to do is go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call the number at the bottom of the screen to speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts, and they'll process the request for you. All they need is your address. Or you could also just click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Keep in mind, we also have local stores throughout Florida. If you want to come by and test drive one of these units, we'd love to earn your business. By the way, if you want a chance to win a free mobility scooter, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel. You're already here. It's free to do so. Just hit the subscribe button and leave a comment on any video. By doing so, you could win a free mobility product. We give away mobility scooters and power wheelchairs to random subscribers of our YouTube channel all the time. Again, just leave a comment, subscribe, and that's it. You're in. So let's get back into the City Rider scooter. What makes this model unique is it has a very comfortable captain seat with a headrest. It's 19 inches wide by 17 inches deep, and it can support up to 350 pounds. It has all the comfort adjustment features, flip-up armrest with adjustable armrest, height adjustable armrest. It has a 1-inch receiver on the back for universal accessories like a shopping basket. It has automatic brakes, and there's a little breaker reset button just in case you overheat the motor going on extreme terrain, but it is very capable. Again, 10-inch drive tires, full suspension, and it has a very powerful 470-watt motor. Now, under the seat, you're going to see a body cover, and underneath that body cover, you're going to find two U1 12-volt batteries. Now, by the way, the seat does slide forward and rotate. The tiller also tilt adjusts back and forth. It's a very robust tiller system with kind of a bicycle-style handle grips, and it has these little threaded holes for mirrors or a cell phone holder that are universal as well. To tilt adjust the handlebar assembly, you just use that little lever there, and it's a hydraulic system that you can use to tilt the handlebar closer to you or further away from you. You do also have turn signals on the front and a very standard dash setup with a speed control knob on the front. You also have the front light headlight button as well as the rear lights, which are going to light up with that blue button on the left side of the dash. You also have a hazard light mode switch, a horn button, which is yellow, and a typical battery meter that allows you to see how much battery you have left. It also comes with an extra large front basket. I also recommend getting a rear basket to carry more goods. The ignition's on the right-hand side of the tiller assembly. It comes with 2 keys, and that basket is a nice addition for free again. Now, the ground clearance is 2.5 inches, and again, it has full suspension with 10-inch drive tires, so it's going to be capable of going on various terrain types. It can handle up to an 8-degree incline, which is pretty steep. Now, I'm going to take you on a test drive. We're going to go over all different types of terrains. I'm excited to do so. Let's go ahead and get in the seat. We're going to give you a first-person view with the camera so you can see exactly what it's like to be sitting in the captain's seat while going on various terrain types. I'm going to turn on some music to enjoy the ride and talk to you at certain points and times throughout the video when we're going over rough terrain types to tell you how it feels and what the experience is like. So enjoy, and again, don't forget to subscribe for your chance to win. Also, if you're enjoying this video and you enjoy our content, the best way to show support is to share our video on social media. Whether you use Facebook, Twitter, just grab the link to this video, hit the share button, and share it with your friends and family. If you think that our content is great, give it a thumbs up, or if you don't, leave a comment below and tell us what you think we could do to improve our videos. We're always listening for feedback, and we appreciate your support, everybody. Enjoy. All right, so here I'm going to do a little U-turn test. Now, the turning radius is 56.3 inches, And because it is a big scooter, a four-wheeler, that's to be expected. If you do want something with a better turning radius, you should probably consider a three-wheel scooter. However, the three-wheel scooters tend to be a little less stable when going on uneven terrain, whereas the four-wheel models typically have more stability when going on rugged terrain. By the way, we do have a comparison video showing you the pros and the cons of three-wheel scooters versus four-wheel scooters. I'll put the link to that video in the top right-hand corner of the screen in case you want to check it out. All right, so here I'm going to traverse over from the road onto some rough grass, and I can tell you that with the suspension, it's so smooth. Controlling it with one hand and using the camera in the other, you could barely see any shakiness on the road or on the camera quality, the video quality rather. Doing some U-turns here. I'm going on some really rough kind of gravel where the planters are, and this terrain by no means is smooth, but honestly, with the 10-inch tires, the suspension, the ground clearance, the powerful motor, it feels really, really comfortable to ride this scooter, even on rough terrain like what you're seeing here. Going backwards, forward, and you could barely see the camera shaking around. Now, I do want to take the time to tell you about EV Rider. EV Rider is a local manufacturing company here in Southwest Florida. They have an awesome facility. They provide great warranty support. If you need parts, they get them out the door quickly. And most importantly, as a dealer, we can count on them when we need them, whether it's a weekend, after hours. And if we give them a call, we have a problem with one of their products that our customer needs help with, they answer the phone all the time. And that's why we recommend EV Rider products. They're made well, they're built tough, and they come with that warranty support that you would expect with a product that costs a pretty penny. Mobility scooters aren't cheap. If you buy something that's really cheap online that doesn't come with any warranty support, it can be a very, very difficult scenario if you need to get warranty support because something's broken or you need a replacement part and no one answers the phone. With EV Rider and Mobility Direct, you can expect that 5-star rated customer support whether you need parts, warranty support, or any kind of support. Well, folks, before we wrap up, I do want to tell you some of the cons, and there really aren't many. I would say the only con to this model is going to be the weight factor. It does weigh over 200 pounds, so you're not really going to be able to disassemble it and putting it in the trunk of the car easily. Even without the batteries, it's still going to weigh over 150 pounds. I certainly don't want to have to lift a scooter that's that heavy, so you may want to consider a vehicle lift application. There are several vehicle lift transportation options. It's kind of like a bike rack. I'll throw some on the screen now, but basically you ride the scooter onto a platform that folds up and down, and then the scooter gets lifted up automatically with a motor. All right, so check out the tires here. They are flat free, by the way, so you don't need to worry about maintenance, which is awesome. You don't really see that too much on 10-inch tires, but they are flat free. And again, with the suspension, you're going to really notice that smooth ride. It does also have a lot of foot space on the floorboard. It does have anti-tip wheels and automatic brakes. Remember, folks, it is a mobility scooter, so it does have those safety features in place. To stop, you just let go of the throttle. By the way, the throttle system is a single-handed use throttle system, so you can use your right hand to control the forward and reverse functions, or your left hand. It's up to you. And that's going to pretty much wrap up our riding adventure. I hope you enjoyed that ride along adventure. We're pulling back up to the shop here in Deerfield Beach, Florida. Feel free to stop on by. We'd love to see you and answer any questions that you have. We have non-commissioned sales experts ready to help answer any questions that you have. Don't forget to subscribe for a chance to win a free mobility scooter, and stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be a great one. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day.